are done, and it's gonna look like it's coming out of the wall. Gosh. Done. Let's pull everything off. We'll put the fist on these special mounting screws that I attached inside here. I mean, look at how cool that looks.
That looks so 3D.
This guy off.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, look at how good our lines turned out.
Incredible.
So now we have this piece on here to protect it, as you can see, because I wanted to paint up all of that cleanup. Done now.
Looks so perfect.
Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The Incredible Hulk smashing through our wall. This is a perfect way to fix a hole. Bam!
Whoa! That looks awesome. Oh my gosh.